Hi guys, welcome to Sabondi Academy. In today's video, we'll be solving the question 12 of the 2018 Nov-Dec core maths theory questions. We'll begin with question 12a. M37 and N15 minus 3 are 2 points in the coordinate plane. P is a point on Mn such that MP is equal to Kmn. Find the coordinates of P when K is equal to minus 3 over 2. So let's begin with our solution. So we know that MP is equal to Kmn. So let's find Kmn. We know that Mn is equal to N minus M. So Kmn will be equal to K multiplying N minus M, should be equal to minus 3 over 2, since our K is minus 3 over 2, times our N, which is 15 minus 3, so 15 minus 3, minus our M, which is 37. So this will give us minus 3 over 2, 15 minus 3 minus 7, which is equal to minus 3 over 2. 15 minus 3 will give us 12, and minus 3 minus 7 will give us minus 10. This is equal to minus 3 over 2 times 12 and minus 3 over 2 times minus 10, which is equal to 2 goes into 12 6 times. 6 times minus 3 will give us minus 18. 2 goes into 10 5 times. Minus 3 times minus 5 will give us 15. So therefore, Kmn is equal to minus 18, 15. But from the question, MP is equal to Kmn. So let's find MP. MP is equal to P minus M. But we don't know P. We know only M. So we say, let P be AB. So MP will be equal to AB minus M, which is 37. And this is equal to A minus 3, B minus 7. But MP is equal to Kmn. Therefore, we can say that A minus 3, B minus 7 is equal to minus 18 and 15. So then we can say that A minus 3 is equal to minus 18. And then B minus 7 is equal to 15. So if we make A the subject in equation 1, our A will be equal to minus 18 plus 3, which is equal to minus 15. And our B will be equal to 15 plus 7, which is equal to 22. Therefore, our P, which is A, B, will be equal to minus 15, 22. So, P is equal to 15, 22. So this brings us to the end of question 12a. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave your questions and comments in the comment section as well. We'll be moving on to question 12b. The positioned vector P is 100, 0, and T is equal to 0.28, 0.96, 0.96, and minus 0.28. I. Find the image P prime of P under T. So let's begin with our solution. Our positioned vector P is 100, 0, and T is 0.28, 0.96, 0.96, and minus 0.28. From the question, we know that the image of P prime is P under T, which means that the position vector multiplying T. So we can say that P prime is equal to P times T. So P prime will be equal to 100, 0, 0.28, 0.96, 0.96, and minus 0.28. So we do the column row multiplication. So this multiplies this, and then at the same time multiplies this. So our P prime will be equal to 100 times 0.28 will give us 28, plus 0 times 0.96 will be 0. Then 100 times 0.96 will give us 96, plus 0 times minus 0.28 will be 0. So our P prime will be equal to 2896. II says, using a scale of 2 centimeters to 20 units on both axes, plot the position vectors of P and P prime. So II. So we have our y-axis and our x-axis. And we are using a scale of 2 centimeters to 20 units on both axes. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. Then here too we have 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. So our P is 100, 0. So when x is 100, y is 0. So our P will be here. Our P prime is 2896. So 28 will be here, somewhere here, and 96 will be somewhere here. So we draw a line to pass through our 2 points. So we should have something like this. Now, I says draw a straight line bisecting the angle POP. So this will be our O, which is our origin. Now we can draw a line to join P prime and O. So this will be our line. This should be a straight line, so you can use your long ruler. And this is our angle POP prime. So what this means is we draw a line to bisect this into 2 equal parts. So we stand here, we draw an arc. We stand here, we draw an arc. And we draw a straight line to pass through the point of intersection. So our straight line is L from the question. Now we are being asked to measure POL, P prime OL. So the angle P prime OL will be this. So we can measure this with the help of our protractor. So we put our protractor here and measure the angle from here to here. Now this should give us 38 degrees. So when you measure your angle, you should have 38 degrees. So that will be IV. The angle P prime OL should be equal to 38 degrees. So this brings us to the end of question 12b and to the end of question 12. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't hesitate to leave your questions and comments in the comment section as well. In our next video, we'll be solving the question 13 of the 2018 Nov-Dec core maths theory questions.